Hi everyone, Aids here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon, I am excited to show you this lovely home located in Amoa Subdivision, Compostela. It is now available for sale or for rent. This is a single attached unit with a lot area of 120 square meters and a floor area of 46 square meters. It features 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. A great starter home or rental investment. Right in front of the house, you also get vacant space perfect for a landscape garden and a parking area. Inside the house is unfurnished, giving you full freedom to design the interiors just the way you like. The space is already tiled with painted walls, basic lighting fixtures, convenient outlets, and even a provision for a window-type aircon. And this is the master bedroom. It has a full-height glass wall that lets in plenty of natural light and air. It also has a provision for a window-type aircon. And this is the second bedroom. It has own windows, making the room well ventilated and naturally lighted. And finally, this is the toilet and bath. Clean, functional, and ready for your personal touch. And if you're thinking long-term, there's also room to expand. You can add more rooms or extend the house using the available side space. Another great thing about this property is that it is in peaceful and secure community developed by Abuetes Land. The swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court, and trail path are all just a short walk away. If you're looking for a quiet and secure place to live or a smart real estate investment, this might be a perfect match for you. If you're interested or would like to schedule a viewing, feel free to contact us. Contact details flash in the screen, and also more details is found in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.